Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you are sick of spending hours vacuuming every week, if pet hair, dust and crumbs keep coming back no matter how much you clean, or if you want a robot that actually gets the job done without breaking the bank or getting stuck every 5 minutes, then this review is for you. Today we are reviewing the eufy RoboVac 11S Max. This slim, powerful robot vacuum handles hard floors and medium pile carpets, runs quietly, charges itself, and delivers solid cleaning performance that makes daily life so much easier. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best budget-friendly robot vacuums you can buy right now. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let us break down the features of the eufy RoboVac 11S Max. It has 2000 pascals of strong suction power, which is excellent for picking up dust, pet hair, crumbs, and small debris on both hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. The slim design is only 2.85 inches tall, so it slides easily under most furniture, beds, and couches where other robots cannot reach. It uses BoostIQ technology to automatically increase suction when it detects dirtier areas, giving extra power exactly where you need it. The large dustbin holds more debris than many competitors, so you empty it less often. It has infrared sensors to avoid falling downstairs and to detect obstacles, plus boundary strips you can use to keep it out of certain rooms or areas. The remote control lets you start, stop, spot clean, edge clean, or schedule daily runs. It automatically returns to its charging dock when the battery is low, and the battery lasts up to 100 minutes on a single charge, which covers most average homes. Setup is dead simple. Unpack it, place the dock against a wall with clearance, plug it in, and press start. No app required, though it works great with just the remote. Real-world performance is where this robot really impresses for the price. It picks up pet hair without tangling, gets dust and crumbs from hard floors and low-pile carpets, and BoostIQ kicks in on dirtier spots for better cleaning. It rarely gets stuck thanks to the slim height and good sensors, and it quietly runs in the background while you work or relax. The self-charging dock works reliably, and the large dustbin means you empty it maybe once or twice a week depending on your home. It is perfect for apartments, small to medium homes, or anyone who wants simple, effective robot cleaning without spending a fortune. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are impressive. Strong 2000 PA suction handles pet hair and everyday mess as well. Super slim design gets under furniture other robots miss. BoostIQ automatically adjusts power for better cleaning. Large dustbin means less frequent emptying. Quiet operation so it does not disturb you. Reliable self-charging dock. Simple remote control with scheduling. Great value for the performance. Reviewers say it keeps floors cleaner with way less effort. On the con side, no app control or mapping like higher-end models, so no virtual no-go zones or detailed cleaning reports. It uses random bounce navigation, not smart pathing, so it may take longer to cover a room or miss spots occasionally. Boundary strips are included, but you have to place them manually. Not ideal for very thick carpets or huge homes. These are typical for a budget robot, and the pros far outweigh them for most people who want simple, reliable cleaning. My recommendation? Yes, get the eufy RoboVac 11S Max if you want strong suction, slim design, quiet operation, and self-charging convenience at a great price. It is perfect for pet owners, small to medium homes, apartments, or anyone who wants effective robot vacuuming without spending premium money. If these honest smart home reviews are helping you save time and money, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this convinced you to try robot cleaning, give it a like, share with a friend who hates vacuuming, or subscribe for more. See you next time.